Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView to trade. First, navigate to the TradingView website and create a free account to begin exploring its features. You'll find a vast array of financial instruments, from stocks to cryptocurrencies, available for analysis. The platform provides real-time market data, allowing you to stay updated on price movements. This initial setup is crucial for accessing all the powerful tools we'll discuss. Once you've selected an asset, focus on chart analysis. TradingView offers hundreds of technical indicators. Start with simple ones like the 20-period moving average or the relative strength index, often called RSI. These help gauge momentum and potential overbought or oversold conditions. Use drawing tools to mark key support and resistance levels, which are crucial for understanding price boundaries. Observing candlestick patterns can also provide valuable insights into market sentiment. To execute trades, connect your preferred brokerage account directly to TradingView. This integration allows you to place orders without leaving the platform. Use the trading panel, typically found at the bottom of the chart, to enter your desired buy or sell orders. Always remember to set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure gains. You can visually manage and monitor all your open positions directly on the chart interface. Before trading with real money, extensively use TradingView's paper trading feature. This allows you to practice strategies and get comfortable with the platform without any financial risk. When you transition to live trading, begin with very small position sizes. A good rule of thumb is to never risk more than 1 or 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. Consistent review of your past trades is essential for continuous improvement and refining your approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.